Good morning! Mag-harvest tayo ng tomatoes ngayon. It's a blessing na nakakapagtanim tayo kahit nasa Germany. And meron tayong aanihin ngayong panahon ng summer. Ang dami namin ng mga alaga or mga tanim na mga tomatoes. And it's time to harvest. So they are already growing. Different kinds of varieties, cherries, tomatoes, and some other tomatoes that we have in our garden. So, ito yung chocolate tomatoes natin. Let's go! Harvest tayo. So, mag-harvest tayo ng cherry tomatoes. Cherry tomatoes. Harvest tayo. Let's go. Here are some tomatoes. Agay! Hulog. Fresh from the garden. Fresh from the garden. Harvest tayo tomatoes. Yan ang harvest natin today. Thank you for these tomatoes. Thank you, Lord.